My low-carb keto banana bread recipe with almond flour will give you the knowledge to be able to indulge in a warm, moist, utterly delicious slice of banana bread anytime you want to give yourself a treat for the senses. And you'll be able to indulge without worrying about the carbs. Today, I'm excited to share with you my new low-carb keto banana bread recipe with almond flour. So let's get to it. Hello, I'm Walter Bell of lowcarbfoodrecipes.com, and I welcome you today to my YouTube channel where I'm featuring another delicious low-carb, keto-friendly recipe. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on today's video recipe. And be sure to click the link in the description below, which will take you to my website, lowcarbfoodrecipes.com, for a downloadable copy of today's recipe.